Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on LinkedIn. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Tap open your LinkedIn application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in first. You'll be able to see the search bar at the very top of the LinkedIn homepage, which is labeled as search. Go ahead and tap it on and enter the keywords you're looking for in the search bar. You can search for people, jobs, companies, posts, and so much more. Once you enter the keyword, you'll be able to see the suggested list displayed right beneath the search box. Simply press one of the options that is displayed and you'll be able to see the result on the next page. At the very top of the screen, you'll be able to filter your search results by category. If you're looking for jobs, you can choose the jobs option. You can easily filter your search result by the category at the top. Simply give it a click on any one of those and you'll be able to make a search on LinkedIn. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.